What's up everybody, this is Jeremy. Today I'm at this nearly 8,000 square meter go-kart track located in Beidou Olympic Park, 1314. Believe it or not, it used to be an abandoned factory, but now it has been transformed into this very cool sports theme park. If you are somebody like me who loves sports, fashion, dining and all this cool stuff, this is definitely the place for you to check out. So today, we're gonna explore this cool place and find out all the secrets behind this magical transformation. So without further ado, let's just get it started. So before this transformation, this was actually known as the first cleaning vehicle yard in Beijing, including 10 old factories. And these old factories are actually first revitalized for the use of Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. This place has undergone 2 rounds of transformation. After the first renovation, it was used as the operational area for the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympic Village. Following the second round of upgrading, that optional area has transformed into a sports theme park, and the village's plaza area has evolved into a large-scale shopping park. Both have enhanced the local residents' quality of life. Well, this right brick facade actually gives us an industrial feel of this place. By cleaning, polishing, and a variety of different methods, this place has been restored to this original look. And all these flags and logos of Winter Olympic venues. These elements actually remind me that the Winter Olympic Games were only held last year here. Man, how time flies! You can also check out the Olympic Shoes mural here, built during the Winter Olympics, which is now a very special place in the park. It represents world peace. So during the renovation process, most of the functional planning of this park actually followed its initial structure. This climbing gym has been transformed from an old factory for the use of this giant space. So let's check that out. 你好，董老师，我今天呢就是来体验一下这攀岩。
好，欢迎你来体验攀岩哈。那你先换一下衣服，我帮你拿一
双鞋。行。好嘞，好嘞。 那咱们一会儿见。
这个我们的大岩壁是8.5米的高度，但是你不要觉得这个高就意味着危险啊！其实大岩壁是相对来说更安全的运动。
I'm so afraid of height, so that is pretty tall. I mean, but yeah, it's a good news for me that I'm gonna be wearing some seatbelt. So that's gonna definitely help me a lot. It's actually a lot harder to do than it looks, but yeah, I did it.
就首先来岩馆，然后包括来这个园区里边，肯定都是更热爱运动的群体，不管是小朋友还是成年的岩友，可以看到馆里可能还有60岁以上的这个老人来体验攀岩。在这个园区里，其实更好的就是更多的这个运动氛围，你会被感觉到被这个整体的运动氛围包围在中间。
This industrial park also served as the operational support area for the 2008 Beijing Summer Olympics. I guess it's safe to say that sports have always been this place's calling card. The store I'm currently in is actually the largest project in this park, and this building is also the largest standalone building in the park. It used to be the venue team dining hall of the Winter Olympics. You can play basketball, badminton, and frisbee. And guess what? There's also a golf course in there. So let's see what that's all about. Let's get it.
哎，你好，老师，我今天就是想来体验一下这个打高尔夫球。这个是手套是吧？戴在左手。选球杆。 So I've never played golf before, so this is gonna be my first time in my life. So one of the most common mistakes I think for beginners make is they cannot hit the ball. I don't know if I can do it. Let's see. Surprisingly good.
这个很好。
Okay, let's try one more. 哎，老师，当时为什么选择在这个地方开这样一个室内的球馆？
因为我们当时也想给广大球友提供一个便捷的打球场所，而且室内相对于室外的话，不会受到天气的干扰，随时可以打球。
那这个室内的球馆和室外的话，它有区别吗？
因为它有那个高清摄像机，然后每打出去一个球，它都会有那个专业的数据反馈，这样可以看到哪里不足，然后加强练习。像在外面场外打球的话，你要提前预约，然后打一场球至少要4个小时，在这儿午休时间都可以打一场球，随时就可以过来。
Well, I've always been a big basketball fan. There's also a basketball court. Need I say more? 哎，娄总
Hello
我就是打球。
来，
哎，咱们当时这个场馆为什么要开在这儿啊？
这个地方可了不起，旁边有鸟巢，还有水立方。我们这里的运动属性比较独特，再加上呢，我做场馆做了这么久，也算在这个位置也算实现了我的一个情怀吧。
Well, I have to say that the renovation work is pretty impressive. This is definitely the go-to place for people who love playing sports. In addition to offering a space to work up a sweat, this park also provides a wide selection of eateries and shops. Visitors can enjoy a meal and browse through stores at their leisure. So right now, I'm going to treat myself. Come with me. Well, today, this revamped park has transformed into a go-to spot for locals, offering a range of experiences for everyone. Whether you're into savoring delicious cuisine, being active, enjoying captivating performances, participating in thrilling competitions, or simply just having quality family time, this place has it all. For the younger crowd, it also has become the ultimate spot for city walks and social interactions. This is Jeremy, and I will see you in the next one.